Man, I saw some kind of critter over there. I don't know what that was. It ducked in, ducked out. You never know. But really so pretty out here. The leaves have fallen and you can see through the trees down to the mountains. Boy, it is nice up here. It's the first time I've been up here this time of year. Summertime, big old valley. But we'll check this out for a while and we'll get back in a little bit. Okay, stalled out for just a minute because we playing on this rock. I mean, why not? So I'm gonna walk around here and let me see if I can give you a tour of this craziness. It is, man, this thing is pretty wild. I mean, tell you, boy. I mean, that's just like a wall right there. Look at that. You gotta love it. Let's see if I can go up here. I don't know if I can or not. Oh, I might be able to. I'm slower. But that's okay. Yeah. Boy, this thing is massive. Oh yeah. All right. Okie dokie. Oh yeah. What do you think about that? Oh, awesome. Okay, I gotta go down this thing, so I'm not gonna try it with this. I may roll. I don't want you to see me roll.
Be careful coming down.
Yeah.
It's not slick, but it's smooth.
Couple miles in. Look around. We'll just take in the views. Oh man, this is unique right here. Been filmed a bunch. I've got video of it. First time out of this here GoPro, but we'll see how it comes out. And this is awesome. Ah, yeah. Fresh water. Yeah, you gotta love it.
I tried to like angle it down. Doesn't do it. Doesn't quite do it.
Let's see if I can scramble through here.
Oh, I gotta walk this way anyway. I thought I was going off.
See if I can raise it up. Good little trail shot. Oh, I'm breathing hard this morning. Boy, this rock is amazing. Now we get a sneak peek at the view. Let's see what we got here. Well, shower anybody? Just another part of this here beautiful trail. We're just going right through the waterfall. Trickled today. See if I can get through here. All right. There's the maneuver. All right. That is super cool. right. This is Bald Knob. Boy, it's pretty out here. It is chilly. The wind's blowing. I'm telling you. I had to put the puffy on. Sweating coming up the trail. Now, this wind, yeah, lose a lot of body weight, put a windbreaker on underneath. Feels good now though. Alright. Guess we'll have a little snack. Decide what to do now. See if we press on or turn. Not real sure at this point. Still pretty early in the day, so we just have to decide. Okay, we'll check back with you later.